I kept going to my yoga class every single day for 2 weeks, even though I'm allergic to exercise. And yesterday, I ended up in the hospital. But not for the reason you think. Let me explain. 3 weeks ago, I signed up for yoga because my doctor said I needed to move more. The problem? I hate sports. On my first day, I arrived at the studio wearing jeans. Yes, jeans. Everyone stared at me. The instructor, Harmony, smiled and said, "First time?" I said yes, even though it was super obvious. Harmony told everyone to do the downward dog position. I had no idea what that meant, so I just laid down flat on my mat. I kept coming back every day, even though I couldn't touch my toes, or my knees, or basically anything below my chest. But here's the thing. Harmony was so nice to me. She kept saying I was making progress. I wasn't. By day 5, the other students started giving me tips. Breathe deeply, they said. I tried, even though I sounded like Darth Vader. One woman, Patricia, kept demonstrating poses for me. She was 67 years old and could bend like a pretzel. I smiled and said thanks, even though watching her made me feel like a broken robot. On day 8, Harmony announced that I'd be demonstrating a pose for the class. Wait, what? Me? I panicked, but I stood up anyway, even though my legs were shaking like jelly. Everyone was watching me with big smiles. Harmony whispered, "Just do your favorite pose." My favorite pose? Sitting on the couch eating chips. I tried to copy what I'd seen others do. I lifted one leg, balanced on the other, and raised my arms above my head. I fell, hard, right onto Patricia's mat. Patricia fell onto someone else. That person fell onto another person. It was like dominoes, but with humans. And yoga mats. And a lot of screaming. Everyone was on the floor in a giant pile, but nobody was hurt. They were all laughing. Harmony helped me up and said, "That was amazing. You brought so much joy to the class." I kept apologizing, even though they kept telling me it was the most fun they'd had in months. The next week, more people showed up to class. 30 people. Someone said they heard about the funny new student. Yesterday was partner yoga day. Harmony paired me with a guy named Bruce who was 6'5" and very muscular. We had to lift each other. Lift each other. I weigh 140 pounds. Bruce weighs approximately 240 pounds. I tried to lift Bruce, even though it was physically impossible. I pulled. He didn't move. I pulled harder. Still nothing. Then I heard a pop sound. My back? Nope. I accidentally grabbed the emergency fire alarm on the wall behind Bruce. The alarm went off. Water sprinklers activated. 30 people got soaked. Someone called 911 thinking it was real. The firefighters arrived. The police arrived. An ambulance arrived. All for a fake emergency during yoga class. I had to pay a $500 fine for the false alarm. But Harmony gave me free classes for life, even though I caused chaos. She said I'm the best marketing tool the studio ever had. Apparently, they're fully baked now. So yeah, I still go to yoga class every week, even though I'm clearly terrible at it. Patricia is now my best friend. And that's how I accidentally became famous at a yoga studio by destroying it. Want more crazy stories to improve your English? Subscribe. My life is a disaster, but at least it's funny.